Good morning, everyone. This is your Nilofer ma'am. I hope you all are fine at your homes and your study is going well. So, as you all know, that we are doing the syllabus of internal assignment 3. Our subject is English grammar, and in today's video, I will explain you worksheet 10, which is related to extra work of English grammar. And in today's worksheet, under the extra work, we will do picture description. So like always, before starting the work, you all have to mention today's date in your copies, that is 10 August 2021. With this you have to mention online classwork in your copies, and with this you have to mention the headings, that is extra work, picture description, and the heading describe the given picture. So before the description of the picture, I would like to show you the picture which you have to draw in your copies, very neat and clean, and then you have to color the picture very nicely. So let me show you the picture. So this is the picture which you have to draw in your copies, and you have to color also. The picture is looking like of an activity class. It can be an activity class of a school or of a private institute also. You can see that all the kids are doing different kinds of activities. Someone is doing craft work, someone is doing drawing, and some students are talking to each other. So about this picture only we will describe. So let's get started. The above scene is of an activity class. The activity class is very well maintained. All the things are settled properly in the room. So as I have told you that the above scene is looking like of an activity class, and the activity class is very well maintained. All the things are properly settled in the room. There is a television on the wall for the entertainment of the children. The scene of outside the window is beautiful and green. All the necessary things are available in the room like watch, whiteboard, hand wash, etc. So you can see in the picture that there is a television on the wall for the entertainment of children, because it is an activity room. So here must be the things for the entertainment of the children also. The scene of outside you can see from the window, which is beautiful and green, and all the necessary things are available in the activity room like watch, whiteboard, hand wash, etc. The activity room is full of children who are busy in different types of activities. Two students are doing craft work by using scissors and chart papers. Some students are drawing something on the paper. So you can see the activity room is full of children. There are many children who are busy in different types of activities. Two students are doing craft work. They are using scissors and chart papers for it. Some students are drawing something on the paper, which you can see in the picture. A boy is painting on the canvas with full concentration. You can clearly see that a boy is painting on the canvas with full concentration. Some students are talking to one another at the corner of the room, and one student is discussing something with the teacher. So you can also see that at the corner some students are talking to one another, and one student is discussing something with the teacher also. They all are looking active and happy. So in the activity room they all are looking active and they all are looking happy. Co-curricular activities are an essential part of school life along with studies. So if we talk about studies, so co-curricular activities are also an essential part of studies for the school life. They help in enhancing the learning process of students at school. If we want to enhance the learning process of students at school, so we should include co-curricular activities in the syllabus. They develop interest and talent of students. Co-curricular activities improve the academic performance of students by reducing their pressure of studies. So the most important thing is that with the help of co-curricular activities, the pressure of studies can be reduced of the students. They increase the brain function of students and help them to concentrate to get higher grades. So co-curricular activities increase the brain function of the students and help them to concentrate on the studies to get the higher grades. As it is said, happiness is a state of activity. So when you do an activity, you are really happy in actually. So this was the description of the picture. I hope everything is clear to all of you. If still any confusion is there, so you can ask me on the WhatsApp also. I'll meet you in the another explanation video. Till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye everyone.